Good morning to all. This is Devapriya, Zoology Department from SRV High Tech Metric Higher Secondary School, Rasipuram. Today we are going to see control of air pollution and noise pollution. This is continuation of chapter 12, environmental issues for class 12th. First we will see control of air pollution. Certain measures helps to remove pollutants, reduce their presence or prevent their entry into the atmosphere. They are trees are the best remedy for urban particulate and gaseous pollution. Forests act as carbon sink and lungs of the planet. Catalytic converters in vehicles helps to reduce polluting gases drastically. Diesel exhausters filters in automobiles cut particulates. Electrostatic precipitators reduce release of industrial pollutants. Cost-effective air pollution treatment system like indoor plants and high-performance biofilters can improve indoor air quality. The Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is facing deterioration and damage by industrial gases due to several industrial units around Agra. The white marble has decolorized to yellow. Next, we will see legal protection. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted in the year of 1981 and amended in 1987 for the prevention, control and abatement of air pollution in India. Traffic emission standard. The government has decided to enforce Bharat Stage 6 norm from 2020. The Green Bench and the National Green Tribunal give judicial safeguard to environmental protection. Let's see what are the steps taken by the central and the state governments in India. They are road traffic rationing, encourage public transport and carpooling. Increase green cover alongside roads, that is planting avenue trees. Promoting Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Enactment and enforcement of stricter environmental laws. And maintenance of air stands by proper enforcement and monitoring. Reducing carbon emissions. Encourage use of renewable energy. Limiting the sale of firecrackers and developing eco-friendly crackers. Make environmental impact assessment mandatory. Air Quality Index, that is AQI, is a number used by government agency to communicate to the public how polluted the air is at a given time. The picture shows various levels of AQI. If the AQI 0 to 50 is considered as good, this it is indicate for green color. Air quality is considered as satisfactory. Air pollution poses little or no risk. Likewise, if the AQI 300 or above 300 is considered as hazardous, it is indicate purple color. Everyone may experience more serious health effects. That's all for air pollution. Next we will see noise pollution. Sound that is unwanted and undesirable or can disturb one's quality of life is called as noise. When there is a lot of noise in the environment, it is termed as noise pollution. The intensity of noise is measured in decibels. Let's see sources of noise pollution. Vehicle engines, air horns, audio-video system, trains, low-flying aircrafts, factory machines, motors, drillers, compressor machines, crackers, explosive, are the common sources of noise pollution. The threshold of pain is about 120 decibel. World Health Organization has proposed that noise must be recognized as the major threat to human well-being. This is applicable for all living organisms. Next, we will see effects of noise pollution. According to the US EPA, that is United States Environmental Protection Agency, there are direct links between noise and health. Heart disease, high blood pressure, stress-related illness, sleep disturbance, hearing loss and productivity loss, increased stress and tension, nervousness, irritability, anxiety, depression, panic attack, peptic ulcer, severe headache and memory loss are the problems related to noise pollution. Marine animals are affected by noise pollution from offshore activities and port activities. Firecrackers frightened animals. Birds are often affected by increased air traffic. Let's see how to control noise pollution. Planting trees in and around noise sources is an effective solution for noise pollution, as plants are known to absorb noise and bring down sound levels. Regular servicing and tuning of automobiles' engines can effectively reduce noise pollution by vehicles and machinery. Workers should be provided with earplug and earmuffs at work site that generate high noise levels. Lubrication of machinery and regular servicing minimize noise levels. Regulation should be imposed to restrict the usage of loudspeaker in crowded areas and public places. Finally, we will see legal protection. Article 48A and Article 51A of the Constitution of India, Noise Pollution, that is Regulation and Control Rules 2000, and Tamil Nadu State Environment Policy 2017 are some of the legal relief from noise pollution. According to Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rules 2000, the permissible limits of noise in areas categorized as commercial is 65 decibel, that is dB, during day and 55 decibel during night. That's all for noise pollution. Thank you.